Do what 99% are not doing. I'm going to share a secret with you. I'm going to show you something very, very, very powerful here. And it's so simple, yet it's so complex. It's so simple that when I reveal it to you, you might say, no, this can't be. But actually it is. So here's the secret. Do what 99% of individuals all the world are not doing. And here's what it is. Focus only on what you want. Let me repeat that again. If you focus only on what you want will come to you as an experience. Whoa, how can that be? How can that be so simple? Well, it is, and let me explain to you how it works. And also, there's hard scientific evidence behind this. You see, 99% of the world, our individuals, are programmed to focus on what they do not want. And now we learn and we have some knowledge and evidence of how the mind interacts with what's known as our physical reality. You see, the world you see right now is just an illusion. It's not the real world. Your eyes are seeing maybe about 1 to 2% of what's actually going on. Behind the scenes exists what I call the real world. You can call it etheric, spiritual, dimensional, quantum, but this world exists. So here's how it works. So this world, or this dimension, it exists in what's known as a 0-point energy field. So everything you see is basically waves of energy. And your mind interacts with this wave of energy. And this wave of energy brings to you the more focused energy that your mind interacts with this field. In quantum physics, we call this unified field theory. This is how everything works. So your mind has a unique function. So the mind, predominantly the subconscious mind, when you think of something, okay, you use your conscious mind or the ego mind. So let's say you decide to think of ice cream. So you're consciously creating that desire or that mental image. Now it goes to your subconscious and that creates some sort of emotion, a little bit of feeling of what ice cream is, what it tastes like. Immediately you do that, you activate within that field. So you send vibrations and your subconscious now will start to look for you to experience ice cream. So what would keep you to experience the ice cream? It's not just thinking about the ice cream one time and say, oh, I'm going to get ice cream. No, it's a deliberate act of repetition. See, if I constantly think of ice cream, vanilla, chocolate, okay, my subconscious mind will map that and it interacts with the unified field. Then through elevation of magnetic attraction, I'll experience having an ice cream. That's just how it works. So think about this. 99%, maybe your friends, your family, co-workers, everybody you see in the street, what do? They're trained to program to think of what they don't want. Why don't I have this? Why is this not working? Why can't I have this? Why am I always this? And what do they get? More of that. That's because the invisible field is operating behind the scenes and they have no awareness of it because your subconscious has no choice but to interact with that field because that's how it's woven and this is how the rules of this universe or matrix is created. But if you train your mind right now and you only focus on what you want, here's the key now, without attachment. Mark, how can I focus on what I want without being engulfed or attached in it? It's very simple. Here's the trick. When you focus on what you want, you do it in a childlike manner, with imagination, fun, not holding it or hoping or wishing it must come true, but rather playful, nice, imaginative. That would be nice. If I get it, fine. If not, it made me feel good. That's what I mean. If you do that, you will attract whatever you want. See that? That's the secret. You will become the 1% that if you train your mind, despite what's going on right now in your external reality, if you train your mind to put yourself in that bubble and just see what you want, desire it, see it happening, you will experience it. How? Here's how again. Let me repeat it because I really want you to get it. Your mind interacts with this field. The field is where everything creates. The field, zero-point energy field, quantum unified field theory. It's vibrational fields of energy. Everything is entangled. Your thoughts, feelings interact with that field. The field brings you what you want via your subconscious mind. You get to experience it through your eyes and your brains, through the brain and the eyes, as something that looks physically real to you. Whether good or bad, the field does not care. The field does not judge. The field gives you what you put out in a frequency level. Your subconscious mind does not care, doesn't know good or bad. Your subconscious mind interacts with the field based on an emotional level. So why do we constantly focus on what we don't want? 2 reasons. 1, conditioning, social, economic, the way we were brought up. 2, there's a part of your brain. The brain is known as the amygdala. It's the worry center. That part of the brain says, when I worry, it means something good. In other words, this is just a natural part of our mind that says we have to worry or we have to focus on the bad to get the good. Inaccurate. It doesn't work that way. So you have to deliberately change that pattern. You start to do that, your life will take a marvelous turn. You'll start to create more abundance, health, wealth. Things will start to go your way because, as I said, the field doesn't judge. The field is like a computer. It will pick up what you put out, and based on the way your subconscious mind works, it's through the proven creator. It must prove to you what you want as an experience. Isn't that marvelous? Look how easy that is. Would you have known that? Maybe not, but now you do. Put it to the test. Do this. If you do this for 30 to 90 days, at least 30 days, I guarantee you will see your results. Why? Because it's just how the rules of this universe is made up. And this field exists, your mind interacts with it, and you receive what you want. So always remember, keep this in your head. Focus only on what I want. Focus only on what makes me feel good. If you keep doing that, you'll condition your mind and you'll start to attract anything. Money, success, business, relationship, whatever you desire, because now you interact with the field and the field sends it to you through a vibration and you experience it as a real life event.